people do.
Okay.
Cause you
So,
give me peace.
we, Sam and Ron, cut the slice of
Now
cake.
I'm here to admit that you are my medicine.
And please, dito po kayo, as long as bigyan mo ng slice ng cake ang iyong kapartner. So whoever wants to go first, please do so. Okay, so mauna si Ron. Okay, Ron, please do the honor. And now it's Sam's turn. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan po natin the wedding cake of our beautiful
I'm
couple.
sorry for the way
Now,
that I used
question lang.
you.
Sino sa mga bisita natin dito ang hindi naka-attend kanina ng ceremony sa Manila Cathedral? Please show your hands. I want to know kung sino. Alright, so that means everyone nakapunta except for that beautiful lady. Okay, so unfair kasi. I was there with you guys kanina, pero hindi ko po kasi natapos yung ceremony because I have to be here earlier. So, with that being said, na-miss ko yung kiss nila. Gaano ba sila katagal nag-kiss kanina? Matagal, like mga gaano katagal? 5 minutes. Sige, ganito na lang. Let's do a reenactment. Hindi ko kasi nakita eh. Oh, unfair yun, unfair yun. So, here's what's going to happen. Gusto ko mag-kiss kayo ulit sa harap naming lahat, pero this time, 10 segundong halik. Ako ang bibilang from 10 down to 1 hanggat hindi ako dumadating sa 1, hindi magbibitaw ang mga lips ninyo. Okay? Because this should be a perfect 10-second kiss. Okay ba yan? Okay ba yan? Okay. So, harap kayo sa isa't isa. Ron, hawakan mo si Missy sa magkabilang sexing bewang. And syempre, Sam, hawakan mo si Mr. sa kanyang matitigas na mga balikat. Titigan ng isa't isa. Yung tinginan na kunwari nagmamahalan kayo. Yung kunwari masaya kayo, hindi kayo nagtitiis for 24 years. Alright. Ron, for the next 10 seconds, ibigay mo sa asawa mo ang iyong matamis na halik. In 3, 2, 1, kiss.